Hello, today I want to show you how you can pair this OPPO wireless speaker to your Android smartphone. So at first you have to turn on your speaker by tapping and holding on this button. Let's make it right now.
Power on.
When you hear the sound and when this LED turns to the green, it means that everything is fine, so we can release the button. And simply we have to go for the Bluetooth settings on our smartphone. Enable Bluetooth feature. And then you have to take a look on all available devices. So if you don't have here your speaker, you have to refresh the list. Once you get this notification that the Bluetooth is in the pairing mode, your speaker will pop right here. So you have to tap on it once, click pair.
Connected.
As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, so we can play, for example, something like this.
Swimming in your eyes, in your eyes.
So as you can hear, the sound comes from the speaker, and that's how you can make it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.